If you are wondering if you can connect your Google Pixel 11 Pro to a car, then the answer is yes. We do have Android Auto on this smartphone, which means that you can easily use your phone and connect it with your car. So to do that, you just have to open the settings on your phone. Next, go to connected devices over here, and then you can choose connection preferences. So after going to connection preferences, then here at the bottom you should be able to find Android Auto, then just tap on connect a vehicle to begin the setup. You can just simply use a USB cable to connect your phone to your car, but if your car supports wireless connections, then you can also use connect using wireless Android Auto over here. Here you can find additional instructions that you can follow to connect wirelessly, but you can also tap on connect using Bluetooth, and then you can choose pair a vehicle. After going back to connected devices, you can go to pair new device this time. And in here on this list of devices, you should be able to find your car. So you can select it and, of course, pair your Google Pixel 11 Pro with your car. Leave a like and subscribe.